We need this, that, applicator, another applicator, towels. This is everything you need to wash and wax your car, but today I'm gonna simplify your life by introducing you guys to our brand new Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax. What a better way to wash a brand new truck using a brand new product from Chemical Guys. Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax is going to bring out an amazing Just Wax finish on this beautiful 2023 Ford Shelby Super Snake. It has 775 horsepower. That's like 15 different axles. Let's show you how to use this product. Before we get into the foam party and the fun, we need to set up our 2-bucket method. So already pre-filled them with water, already entered my dirt trash at the bottom. Then we get Mr. Pink Foam Party, open up the spout, add 1 to 2 ounces of soap, and just like that, my bucket is ready to go. But you could also use it inside your foam cannon. So just twist it off, remove the head, get your soap, 1 to 2 ounces of soap inside here. Now, let's stir it, not shake it, and get ready for the foam party fun using Mr. Pink Foam Party. Before we foam up the car using Mr. Pink Foam Party, we need to rinse down the surface of the car just to knock off any loose grime and debris to avoid scratching this roll while washing your car. Now that we rinsed, it is time to foam up the truck using the Big Mouth Microfiber foam cannon, of course, our pressure washer. But don't worry, if you don't have a foam cannon, you could also use it just in 2-bucket method. But anyways, guys, let's get the foam party started. The reason why we call it a foam party is because these suds are thick. Next step is going to scrub the car down using a chenille wash mitt. Grab my wash mitt, sink it into my wash bucket, grab some suds. Now let's go to the car. Truck. Let's go to the truck. Now you guys might be asking us in the comment section right now, what's the difference between this Mr. Pink and the OG version? Well, guess what? Rest assured, this Mr. Pink is still pH neutral. It's going to leave a Just Wax finish, which now has wax in it, and it's super safe for all coatings, sealants, and waxes. So rest assured, every time you're washing your car. And if you have a super dirty car and you're short on time and want a Just Wax finish, Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax is the perfect soap for you. After a couple passes, don't forget to go back to your 2-bucket method, sink your wash mitt into the clean water, scrub it out, make sure your wash mitt's clean, and continue washing. This soap is thick. And once you finish scrubbing it, make sure to rinse it off, completely clean, and then dry it using a premium microfiber towel. And just like that, we brought out the shine, reflection, and protection to the Ford Shelby that has 775 horsepower with Mr. Pink. We simplified everything using one product, which is Mr. Pink Foam Party Wash and Wax. If you want to hop onto the Shine Wagon, go to our link down below or chemicalguys.com or your local detail garage. Pick up your product today and start shining the right way using Chemical Guys Foam Party Wash and Wax. We'll see you next time.